How do you choose a lawyer after being hurt in a commercial truck crash? We asked attorney Gregg Anderson in this Ask the Lawyers quick question.
They should make sure that the lawyer that is handling the matter understands commercial motor vehicle crashes and how complex they can be. There's a multitude of potential defendants. Could be the driver, the motor carrier, also known as the trucking company. Brokers and shippers maybe have some responsibility. And so they should look for lawyers that have experience handling interstate trucking crashes, not just auto crashes. There's a vast difference.